Hi, my name is Muhammad Azim Daniel bin Norizan. My register number is 01DKA20F2050 and my partner Muhammad Firdaus bin Rosli 01DKA20F2052. Today we will present about our product and the product is solar mixer.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Rosli, 01DKA2052. For resources efficiency, this solar powered mixer uses solar energy. When the solar panel is exposed to sunlight, it can convert solar energy into electrical energy and at the same time can move this product effectively. Hours of operation depend on geographical location, daily weather condition and seasons. And for the energy efficiency, using a solar power mixer can reduce cost a lot, help improve the environment and keep electricity costs where they should be.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Azim Daniel bin Norizan. My register number is 01DKA20F2050. Affordability. Solar power blend are easy to install and most important, using them will not increase your electricity bill. But if we use an electric blend, we have to pay the bill every month. Identify problem. First, the solar panel is hard to find. Second, the cost of material, especially the solar panel, is expensive. Third, the electronic parts are complex. Problem solving. First, need to buy online internet. Second, buy wholesale or during promotion. Third, studying to install on YouTube.